Okay, back to selling or reselling. This is another short video. I'm trying to sell this Kate Spade bag. Uh, and as you can see, it's a little bit dirty. It's not in really bad condition or anything like that. It's just that I'm trying to figure out the easiest way to clean it. It's really cute. It has this yellow trim. It has a side pocket in the front, and this is the back of the bag. And you could hold it by the handle or the strap over here. And it has a zipper pocket inside, and yeah, and this is the handle, and this is the strap, and I'm trying to learn how to clean leather. So if you have any tips or comments, please leave them in the comment section. And well, basically, I'm trying this out. I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond. It's Folex Instant Stain Remover. And it's supposed to be some magic solution to removing stains. Let's see. Removes grease, oil, ink, blood, red wine, coffee, rust, cosmetics, food, baby formula, and most old stains. So I tried it out on a small area. And here's the thing. Okay, I tried it out, and it seems to remove the dirt. Okay, but it's not really removing, like, if there's hard scuff marks. It seems to clean it, like, it'll go from a dirty area to, you could see it cleans it. But if there's any really bad scuff marks, like, let me look for one to show you. And it doesn't really seem to do much on the scuff marks. I don't think this side is as bad. But if you look over here, there's kind of a scuff mark there. And that part, it doesn't do anything with that. It doesn't have any effect. I tried, the back handle is a little worse. It cleans it, like, if it's dirty, if it's just dirt, like over here, it's a little bit dirty compared to this. If you look over here, this side's clean, which I cleaned with the Folex. This stuff over here. I sprayed it here, and you can see this side is clean, and this side is still dirty. So it seems to be somewhat good about getting the dirt off, but if you have scuff marks like over here or over here, mostly on the handle, it doesn't really do too much to help. It just basically cleans if it's dirty. That's the only other way it seems to. I don't know. The other concern I have about this product I'm using, and I'm just trying to figure out what works on leather to clean it and make it look good. And so the other thing is, it doesn't say anything about leather using this product, using the Folex. It just says that you do not use on silk. So, okay, so you don't use it on silk. And I didn't really see any damage coming from it. So I'm just wondering if anybody knows about this product, or if there are certain chemicals that damage leather, certain things I should be careful of, because I've never really cleaned leather before, so I don't have any idea, but any input helps. And yeah, so I'm trying it out. It didn't do much, except, like I said, it seemed to remove some dirt. And that's about the only thing I saw it do. So now, or like over here, it's kind of like I'm in bad condition over here. I'm trying to figure out how to clean that. And this, it'll get clean, like if there's just general dirt. But that it does nothing. It doesn't help with. So if you have any comments or input, please leave it below in the comment section. feel free to like and this video and subscribe, and follow me along on my reselling journey and junk food journey. And yeah, okay, see you next time.